Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Here it comes into focus. We've done silver for the last few weeks, for the last few specials, so here's some gold for you. It's the Ainslie Bullion 37.5 gram gold Luong. Now Luong is a special size. It's very popular within the Asian markets. You would say it's probably the most common size. The Luong, that's when it's in bar size, or it's called a tail when it's in the circular. It kind of looks like a donut, if that makes sense. So they're both the same size but called different things. So this is the gold Luong right here. Of course, the Ainslie brand with the Ainslie Bullion logo. We have these made ourselves, of course. And let's pop on the other side, 37.5 grams, 999.9 pure gold. Right there. So why would you want to stack them? A couple of reasons. Well, because it's gold. Hey, you want to own some gold in your portfolio, of course. And the size as well, as we said, 37.5 grams, a little bit different, very popular in the Asian markets. And you don't know where the world's going. You never know who you might need to sell to, whether that's to a dealer or to a private individual. So diversifying within size is a great idea. Here's the special right now, $15 off per bar. I think that makes it the best priced gold Luong available for sale in any Australian dealer as of right now. Could be wrong. If I am wrong, yeah, post a comment below, but I'm pretty sure I am right. So $15 off per bar, again for the next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time. So get your Ainslie Bullion 37.5 gram gold Luongs. I'll put a link below to the info section, in the info section of the YouTube page as part of the pinned comment, to the specific product page for the gold Luong by Ainslie Bullion. You know what you need to do. Head over there, get in early. Hopefully we have enough for you to cover everyone's interest. And of course, I need you to like, share, and more importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel to be the early bird to catch these every single Wednesday, because we do release them first on YouTube and then a little bit later we release them on the other social media platforms. So definitely want to be the early bird to make sure you get in as quickly as possible. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe. Hope you get this special. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.